If your Pixel 7 feels slow, laggy, or unresponsive, it's usually not the hardware. It's a few settings running quietly in the background. Here are 3 Pixel settings that can slow your phone down and how to fix them. Setting 1. Too many apps running in the background. Tap settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Tap see all apps. Select an app you rarely use. Tap battery. Turn off allow background usage. Apps running in the background use memory and slow your phone even when you're not using them. Setting 2. Unused app permissions. Tap settings. Scroll down and tap security and privacy. Scroll down and under privacy tap privacy controls. Tap permission manager. Tap location, camera, and microphone. If an app doesn't need constant access, set it to ask every time or don't allow. Fewer background permissions means better performance. Setting 3. Too many animations. Tap settings. Scroll down and tap about phone. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back to settings. Tap system. Tap developer options. Set window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to 0.5x. This makes your Pixel feel faster and more responsive. Bonus tip: restart your phone at least once a week. This clears memory and keeps your Pixel running smoothly. Your Pixel 7 doesn't need an upgrade. It just needs better settings. Follow Tech Guide Genie for simple Pixel tips that actually work.